Oh, look at you.
Again, I'm curling my hair.
Oh, sorry about the darkness of the video.
It's like the light won't work.
So what do you have here?
I'm going to show you how well I packed.
Oh, wow. You are good.
So up here are all my shirts.
Mm-hmm.
Then here are all my pants. I got shorts over here and then pants.
Okay.
And then I got all my bathing suits.
Oh, yeah, 'cause
And
there's
then
gonna be
my
a pool,
socks
huh?
and everything.
We can't say where we're going, but there's going to be a pool.
And I'm very excited
Yeah.
because there's going to be a hot tub too.
Ooh.
So then I'm jumping right in there. Hopefully it doesn't say that you have to be 18. But
Well,
I'll
usually you
just
can
say
have
I'm
parents
18.
with you.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
beautiful.
I think if you told them you were 18, did you really think they'd believe you?
I'd say I'm a midget.
Huh?
I'm really small.
Yeah, she's really short for her
small.
age.
I look like I'm 8, even though like
Yeah, she's really short for 18. People have been telling her that for all her life.
So
All right, so
I'm really 18. So I'm
Yeah.
just really small.
yeah.
I look like I'm 9, even though
Right.
that's my real age. But
All right.
all right, bye.
All right, what do you got? Can we get you on here?
Yeah.
All right, what are you doing?
Leave in the comments if this looks good together.
No.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's kind of dark in here. That's why. So he's got his Adidas pants on, and if you can, I don't know. I'm trying to see you, but I can't. Sorry, turn that whole light on in the bottom.
can't.
Oh, she's
My
not
hands are
doing.
completely full.
Modeling.
Oh, you're modeling. Oh, yo, 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 what you doing? What you doing? Yo, 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 yo. What you doing? Come on. You gotta model. Yo, 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 what you doing? You gotta turn around,
My
dude.
knees hurt so bad.
What hurts?
My knees.
Uh-oh. He's getting older
Just a
before
quick
his
flip
time.
really quick.
Graham was right. No flipping and flopping on the furniture. He
Keep
already
it,
broke
keep it,
all
keep
of
it.
it. No. Good. Ready? Model while I sing.
No.
Yo, 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 what you doing? What you doing? Yo, 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 what you doing? All right. So are you getting ready too? Don't tell them where. But are you getting ready?
We're going to.
Beep. No. Forget about it. All right. Go get ready.
It involves my scooter.
Yes. That's all we can say. Get ready to rumble.